Back in October 2024, I published a video on Green Garden Residences 3 here in Vistacana. This is a project made up of 80 1- and 2-bedroom units. Some of those units were designed as lock-off units, which made them very attractive for short-term rentals. Other units included rooftop terraces with half bathrooms and studios, giving buyers another very appealing option. Green Garden Residences 3 was a huge success in sales and sold out rather quickly. Then in March 2025, I published a video on Equilibrium Residences, another project here in Vistacana. This development consists of 21 townhouses and 2 single-family villas, with options of 2- and 3-bedroom homes. A few days ago, I went back to check on the progress of both projects, and I captured footage that I will be sharing with you today. If you invested in one of these projects and have not seen any recent updates, this is one of the main reasons why you should subscribe to my channel. For over 5 years, I have been publishing videos on Vistacana, including new projects, construction updates, area growth, and the evolution taking place here in Punta Cana. And because of these videos, I have been able to help hundreds of families find a project that makes sense for them based on their goals, their budget, and their timeline. So today, let's take a look at the footage I captured earlier this week and see what is currently happening at Green Garden Residences 3 and Equilibrium Residences in Vistacana. Equilibrium Residences still has townhouse options available. You can choose from 2-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom, or 3-bedroom, 3.5-bathroom with a service room. Prices currently start at $252,000. Some units are estimated to be delivered by March 2027, while others are estimated for March 2028. Green Garden Residences 3, on the other hand, has been completely sold out for quite some time already. But the good news is that Green Garden Residences 4, also located here in Vistacana, has already launched. This new phase will include a mix of condos, duplexes, and single-family villas. There are plenty of options available right now, so get in touch with me right away to reserve your own. Another important point I wanted to highlight about these two projects is the close proximity to the second man-made beach that is currently under construction, as well as the second entrance and exit currently being built. This is something buyers and investors should pay close attention to because location inside a growing community can also make a major difference. To watch the original videos I published on Equilibrium Residences and Green Garden Residences 4, I will leave the links in the description below so you can learn more about each project. And if you're interested in any one of these opportunities, you can contact me directly by WhatsApp at 809-223-8416 or by email at info@propertiesbymasters.com. Thank you for watching. If you don't want to miss out on future videos as they are published, hit the subscribe button and choose the all option to get notified immediately. Give these videos a like and share it with others so they too can learn about these opportunities. When you get a chance, follow me on Instagram at Properties by Masters and visit my webpage, propertiesbymasters.com. See you in the next video.